So the Unreal Marketplace has something called Free for the Month, and I used the Polygon Town Pack and City Pack and added. Look, this would usually cost $19 and this $50, but they were free for the month. And since I got them, I have them forever. But anyway, so I added them in, and they came with all of these new buildings and cars, although the cars are not rigged, meaning that you can't drive the cars, and it's pretty difficult to get that set up. But at the very least, I'm going to try. Uh, yeah, you could essentially add these to projects, and my game's still loading. Takes a really long time. I've been progressively just building on what I have. Uh, I've also modified the game mechanics so that the driving is more arcadey. The vehicles accelerate and brake harder, meaning that the handle they turn a lot tighter so that they can actually drive really well on the streets. I'm gonna show you all of the buildings. All of the white buildings are actually from. Whoa, what the heck happened here? Think something went pretty wrong because all these new white buildings were from the free pack or the town pack, and these other buildings I downloaded off of Turbo Squid, which is a 3D website where you can get free 3D models. All the ones to the right and all of the ones to the left are from the town pack. I also added a new section of the city using the buildings from the city pack. As you can see, I did rework the roadways a little bit, make them wider so that they are actually good to drive on. This is a car wash. This is pretty cool, actually. You could like drive through this Lego car wash. Oh yeah, the game glitches out sometimes when you try to exit a car, but I'm looking at it, so yeah. Oh, as you can see, instead of having one trigger box, I created another blueprint of a car, and I'm trying out having one huge trigger box that goes all around the car model. As you can see, this is like the new plan. I'll show you the blueprints. Okay, so this is one of the one of the new vehicles. As you can see, I have the ambulance. It's not drivable yet, but I've got a van. I've got all these cool vehicles, and I'm gonna make them all drivable. But I'm still working out the driving mechanics a little. The new section of the city that I built on this side, this is the city pack over here beyond this Lego building that I imported from Lego Digital Designer. But as you can see, these buildings, these are all from the Polygon City Pack. Other than this hospital in the middle, which I already had. But so yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.